Welcome on another episode and video on my walking robot Mirft2 based on the fischertechnik TXT controller running embedded Linux and programmed in Python using online mode via SSH, secure shell. It is equipped with 2 touch sensors on front and a USB camera fused with OpenCV, which will be the focus of this episode. It's on something I call a scaffold, so that it can run anyway, the legs can move, and hopefully the battery will last until the very end of this episode, because last time that didn't quite go well. It's a freshly charged battery, so let's see how this ends up when I power it up. First of all, of course, connection to the battery. A new battery is being charged now. Well, one of the other batteries is being charged right now. So let's see how this works out. And if things go like last time, I have to reboot it, but let's see if that is still the case, because last time I could not get any connection, and I don't have to try to boot into the community firmware, no, into the standard firmware using my other tablet to test the live camera, because I know it works. Alright, settings, go down, date and time, date, August by now, and it is 22. So let me put the wire there. Okay, this is alright. Now for time, which is 10:29, and the question is, okay, yeah, it can count down, but it's 24-hour clock, so 10 and I can't just set it like any other computer, so I'll have to do it this way. With the computer you have date as a command, and I can't use date, the same command on this Linux computer. So anyway, this is working. Now the question is, can I make contact using SSH? Yes, I can. And then I get this screen, which is nothing worth to me, but I have connection, so that is very good. I don't even have to file a password, so that is all nice. Hopefully it stays this way. Next thing to do is check with OpenCV, because the cycles, you've seen that, and I'll show again, there's no logic. So for now, let me put everything in the correct, and see what happens. It goes right off. So now the question is, has it maintained, has it retained, or whatever you call it, date and time? because now it seems that it is the same problem all over. And only one way to see, checking, because now I had to reboot it, so connection was lost, so I can't use the same login anymore. No. Settings. Go down one. Date, time, date. It has retained all settings, that is good. Yeah. But why did it power off anyway? That's something I still wonder. It has not been the first time. And there it goes again. But no, it doesn't go again. The button is still lit. So now the question is, what has happened? Alright, let's check on the computer. Alright, so now you can see that the display is all dark. I am still logged in from the first session. This is still burning, the on-off button. Do I have contact? No, I don't. Could not connect. So this one I can completely forget about. New tab. Can I reconnect? No route to host. That means I can't connect. Oh, but look at this. Oh yeah, right, it starts right away. With booting, that is. I am not happy. I'm not happy with this. But let's see whatever. Okay, once again. Settings. One down. Time. Date. It has retained. So now let's reconnect. It is reconnecting. Confirm. I'm in. So the same way for this one. New tab. Alright. What is the battery status? See, now I can without a problem reconnect. Battery status is 9 volts. 9 volts, that means that it is in no way the battery that is not good. Alright, putting this to, yeah, to what? Okay, I can't do this because I am using now interface test. Oh wait, I can do. Okay, I have to remove all remnants from last time, and that's all there is. Yep, I changed the algorithm so the other, so gray and gray image are not created anymore. Remove this one. Now all is left is this. The speeds are, the motor speed is set to absolute maximum, I think. Or is it? Lamp is half, but what is the, oh right, yeah. Oh, this is, oh, look at this difference. Speed is only 512, and I've set it to 1024, which is then in itself not possible. This is not possible. Would this be then necessary to reduce? But I've also found that when I use 512, it barely moves at all. So I might have to, yeah, and I'm already diverging from my plan to focus on OpenCV, but alright, this one gone, and this one gone, and here focus on 512, or not focus on 512, and this one change it to 512 as well. Against better judgment, but so what? Anyway, that's done. Yeah, what remains is, oh yeah, I would show you about the date. So I can do this, no problem. However, man is the command for manual. Show everything about the command. Well, it doesn't have this manual on board. Can I invalidate? This it says, but it says yes, I can set date. But usage, date, options, time. So I should be able to do this. I tried it, but for some reason I never managed to get it right. So I will follow up on this. Now, time to run. Time to run and see whatever image I get. Oh right, that is the other one. That is what I did last time. Right here, I split the right side and the left side motor, and then I say, alright, if the right side motor finishes, then play fire brigade, and if the left side finishes, play the clock. However, it only plays the fire brigade. So what I need to do is actually maybe just remove this or whatever and see if then left side motor does it. Anyway, I should have gotten some data now. Yeah, I have two. So let's do 3946. No, not ls. I need display because I want image magic. Alright, now the result. As bad can be. Outlines. Oh wait, this is reddish, but this should be red as well, and only this is red. This is red outline, and that's it. Not quite convinced yet. Alright, so now this imaging is not good. In the past I already compared it to the other controller, which is the Discovery robot, and it turned out that it was exactly the same algorithm, which last time, by the way, was not as good as it used to be in results. But apart from that, let me increase the distance and see if it makes any result, or shorten this. Let me shorten the distance, although then I will not get every part of it, but as long as there is red in it, it should be alright. So let's do that, and let's also see if the power retains, because each time so far I moved it, it went power off. So let's see if we get another oops. So far, no. Okay. So let's go. Do I have enough power, by the way? 8.8, that's enough. Alright, go. It has counted now down to 3 from 433. Okay, quick comparison is 0. Okay, so be it. Now it has now 51.2. Okay, and 5. Let's take this one. And oh wait, that's a result already. So let's take image. Okay, 1. Yeah. Okay, so closer by. Well, this is red, but this is yellow and should be black. Yellow, all yellow should be black. So this is correct, but this part isn't. Although it is, this is shady, and if I compare it with the rest, this is black. this is black and this is black, which is also yellow. So would it be the shade that makes it stand out? Alright, then one step closer. Careful that it doesn't power off. Alright, let's hope this works. So and let's go. Fire brigade. Alright, now it's 3 again, and this is 425, and it was 434, and before that it was 1. There's no logic in this. Alright, then 54 then, 4, oh, and the other images, of course. This should be red. This is not as I expect it to be, because it is a very thin line here, but this should be black anyway. And alright, this is very close by. I see here a very thin line, which is this one, and the rest should be black. Oh no, here is a very small reddish part, and here as well. So this should be all red, this should be red, and this should be black. No, not nice. Okay, then further away. Further away it is. And there's another thing which just comes to mind. With this robot, I rarely have the problem that it breaks either the connection with a TXT or a board or camera issues or whatever. With the other interface, it's very common to have those. So I do suspect that I have a problem using that firmware version. Anyway, let's once more test it. And now it is 5650. Oh, and let me put up the other ones. Oh, that's result again. I need the image. Okay, this is not good, and this is, well, I can't see, why does it display the white text anyway? It does display the white text, or parts of it anyway. This should be red, this should be red, this should be red, this part should be red, this is rightfully, correctly black, this is correctly black, this is wrong, and this is wrong. I am inclined to blame the firmware. On the other hand, OpenCV is OpenCV. And HSV is HSV, hue, saturation and value. I compared the algorithm which is correct with the other one. It is the same camera. The only difference is I cannot get a live view. And what to do about it? This is not making any sense. And time flies. With only a couple of minutes left until a full length episode of 30 minutes, some conclusions. For some reason, a power off by just picking it up and moving it. Then, why does it only react on the right side motor? Then, reducing the speed to 512 negative, because also ROBOPro has a limit of 512. So I did try in the beginning 512 and it didn't do anything, and 1023 did, but apparently I am mistaken. Follow the lead of the software. Next, of course, date. I have to retry setting the date using the command. Hey, I'm a Unix guy, so I have to do it by command. And I know at least one of you in the audience will laugh at it, about it, or at least smile. Then OpenCV, absolutely not pleased. Is it OpenCV? Is it the firmware version? Is it really a different interface internally? I have no clue. Anyway, enough musings. Next time I hope more results. Testing continues. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Give the video a thumbs up, like it, leave a comment or suggestion. You can also follow me on Twitter. Please retweet, like and leave a comment. You can also follow me on Instagram. Please like and leave a comment. You can show your support, your appreciation by making a small donation to via PayPal or Wired. You can also become a patron and have your name mentioned on my website, or depending on the pledge, also with my videos. More information at the start of this video. Also under this video where I list my website, PayPal, etc. at Patreon. Once again, thank you for watching. This is to be continued. Bye bye.